Hi guys, welcome back. Today we'll be learning this kind of makeup which has elongated wing in the eye. Now I've kept it light because my face is little chiseled. If you have a little cute face also, then go for little drama and deep in colors. That will ensure that all eyes in any party, in any event where you do this makeup will be on you. सबसे पहले हमने कलर करेक्टर लगा लिया है आईज पे और उसके बाद मैंने कंसीलर लगा लिया है. Now the concealer has to be lighter color than the shade of your face skin color. It could be one shade lighter or two shade lighter. इसको मैं पहले ब्रश से blend कर लूंगी and then with a beauty blender I blend it all. Now, like I have always said, blending is very important. Ensure your beauty blender is damp and then just do very light movements on it to blend it. Now I'm gonna lock this concealer. That would be from the powder of the same color of the concealer that we have used. Any powder, just use it so that you can lock this in your eye. इसके बाद हम आंखों पे सबसे इजी स्टेप है टेप्स लगा लेंगे एंड ट्रस्ट मी ऑन बोथ द आईज टू गेट दैट एग्जैक्ट विंग. यू हैव टू पुट टेप्स इन द सिमिलर मैनर. इट हैज टू बी एग्जैक्ट ताकि हमारे जो विंग है दोनों आंखों के वो सेम आए. इसके बाद मैंने एक फ्लैट ब्रश से ब्राउन डार्क ब्राउन शैडो लिया है एंड आई हैव applied it on the edge of my eye in the shape of a line. The same thing is what we're going to do on the another eye. Just apply it. इसके बाद हम इसे blend कर देंगे because like I said, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा sharp look नहीं चाहिए. मेरा face chiseled है. अगर आपका थोड़ा सा भी cute है then go for the sharp eye look. इसको मैंने blend कर दिया and this is optional. So if you do not want to blend it, just don't blend it. Now I'm going to be putting the lighter brown eyeshadow over it with the again flat brush. इसके लिए मैंने different brush use किया है and I'm going to put it above it in the same format, in the same way that I put the previous eyeshadow. It has to come from the corner of your lid until the edge of your brows, and if you want to take it longer, you can. Now I'm going to blend it again. I'm blending it with a blending brush which is pointed so that it doesn't fall out of the eye. Now I'm going to be taking a little fluffy brush and I will be taking pink eyeshadow and I'll be doing a line over my crease and would be smudging it off by doing it. We'll keep it very soft. We'll not have a very harsh line. That is the reason that I'm using a fluffy brush. आप इसे edge पे लगाएंगे अपनी eyes के lid के edge पे. Then I'm gonna be using the pencil eyeliner and I'm gonna just draw one line. Don't get worried about it because हम इसे blend कर देंगे और बाकी सारा का सारा जो हमारा गेम है वो हमारा टेप संभाल के रखेगा. Now I'm gonna blend it from the outwards to inwards to get a very smooth look across the eyes. यहाँ पे मुझे थोड़ी सी difficulty हो रही है because I needed a mirror. So I've taken a mirror for myself and then I'm doing it. And once you do it, there is only one step which will be left, which will be we'll applying the pressed glitters. Now if you do not know, just take any glitter eyeshadow. It could be press. Yes, but आप इसमें loose glitters apply मत करना because then they will fall out. So ensure there is a glitter eyeshadow that you're applying from the inner corner until the middle of the eyes. I'm using my hands because it gives you better precision, knowing where to apply. Start of the eye से middle of the eye तक लगाइए so that you get a good sparkly high edge eyes effect. Now I'm going to apply the same glitter in the inner corner because like I have told you, it will give you the pop-up element that we require for the eyes. Now the end moment will be taking up the tape and look at the wing that has been created. It is just wow. So anytime that you want to do this makeup, just ensure you have a tape and you can do this. I've done my base. For the base, just go to any of my other videos. I have given the full tutorial for the base. Here I'm applying the liquid blush and I'm going to apply from the center of my cheeks until the cheekbone, until the ears, the top of the ears, and then I'm going to blend it. I'm using a small beauty blender to apply it and then a bigger beauty blender to blend it. I generally do from the start of my cheek, reason being because I want a more cute look. But if you already have a cute look, just start from the middle of the cheeks and on the cheekbones. Little bit on the nose will give us the blush blindness look that I already love. And to make it look more natural, what will we do? हमारा इसी brush में concealer था. So I've taken the same brush, and now after doing the blush, I'm gonna apply the concealer again on my eyes. I'm not taking extra concealer, the same concealer that I had on my brush. And इस look का ये जो आगे से हम wing निकालते हैं, ये इसकी जान है, तो आप ज़रूर से आगे से निकाल लीजिएगा. And this is how the entire look looks like. Now I'm gonna take a angular brush to lock my base. For उसके लिए मैं ब्रश से इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ बिकॉज मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा केकी लुक पसंद नहीं है. सो आई एम गोना टेक एन एंगुलर ब्रश, आई एम गोना टेक द ट्रांसलूसेंट पाउडर एंड आई विल ड्रॉप द एक्स्ट्रा and whatever is there on left over on my brush, I'm gonna apply it on my eye, under my eyes. Now I'm locking my blush, which is from the blush powder, which is of the same color of the liquid blush that we have applied, and let's wait for the final look. I'm just gonna come in a minute. So guys, here we are with the final look, and this is what it looks like. I've just done my eyes and I've applied my mascara and my lashes, and this is what the entire look looks like. So if you want to learn this makeup, absolutely the one thing that you have to do is you have to sit and you have to try. For all the products, I'm gonna mention the link in the bio, and until next time, see you.